minus cos pi x by 2 and coefficient of x is pi by 2. Limit goes to 0 to 1. X e 2x upon 2, derivative of x is 1 e 2x upon 2 minus 2 upon pi cos pi x by 2. X e 2x upon 2 e 2x upon 4 minus 2 upon pi cos pi x by 2. Put the limits now. Upper limit 1 into e square upon 2 minus e square upon 4 cos pi is 1, x is 1 cos pi by 2 minus lower limit x is 0 now put the values. E square by 2 minus e square by 4 minus cos 90 is 0 minus e's power 0 is 1 minus 1 by 4 and cos 0 is 1. One by 2 minus 1 by 4 is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 2 upon pi. 2 upon pi plus e square by 4 plus 1 by 4. Next one is integral of x ex plus cos pi x by 4 and the limit is 0 to 1. Again same as previous question. First separate the terms. X ex plus integral of cos pi x by 4. In the first integral we solve it by parts by taking x as first and exponential function as second. First function integral of second minus integral of derivative of first function integral of second. Integral of cos is sine upon pi by 4. Integral of ex, derivative of x is 1, integral of ex is ex plus 4 upon pi sine pi x by 4. X ex, integral of ex plus 4 upon pi sine pi x by 4, limit is 0 to 1. Put the values. E1 pi into 1 sine pi by 4 minus lower limit x is 0, 0 into something 0 minus e power 0, 0 into something is 0. Now put the values. E minus e will cancel. 4 upon pi sine pi by 4 is 1 by root 2 minus e power 0 is 1 and sine 0 is 0. We can write 4 as 2 into 2 and instead of 1 2 we can write square root of 2 into square root of 2. 1 square root of 2 will cancel. 2 into root 2 upon pi plus 1. 2 into root 2 upon pi plus 1. Ex 1 minus sin x upon 1 minus cos of x. Limit goes to pi by 2 to pi. We know the formula for cos 2x as 1 minus 2 sin square x. So 1 minus cos of x is 2 sin square x by 2. And instead of sin 2x, we use the formula 2 sin x cos x. Here the angle is half, so write it as 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2, and 1 minus cos x is 2 sin square x by 2. Limit is pi by 2 to pi. Limit is pi by 2 to pi. Now separate the terms as ex upon 1 into 1 upon 2 sin square x by 2 minus 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2 upon 2 sin square x by 2. Ex upon 2, 1 upon sin is cosec, so into cosec square x by 2 minus ex sin. 1 sin will cancel. Cos upon sin is cot x by 2. Derivative of cot is minus cosec square. So apply by integration by parts rule here by taking trigonometric function as first and exponential as second. First integral as it is. Minus first function integral of second minus integral of derivative of first function and integral of second function. Cot x by 2, integral of ex is ex minus minus plus derivative of cot is minus cosec square x by 2. Now derivative of x by 2 is 1 by 2. Integral of ex is ex. Ex by 2 cosec square x by 2. Limit is pi by 2 to pi. Plus minus minus, and this is of plus sign, it will cancel. Now put the limits. Ex cot x by 2 pi by 2 to pi minus e pi cot pi by 2 e power pi by 2 cot pi by 4. Tan tan 90 is not defined, so cot 90 is 0 plus e pi by 2. Tan pi by 4 is 1, so cot pi by 4 is also 1. So e power pi by 2. Now the next one is integral of e power x by 2 sine x by 2 plus pi by 4 and the limit is 0 to 2 pi. Both the terms are in product, so we will apply the rule integration by parts by taking trigonometric function as first and exponential as second. Let it be I. First function into integral of second function minus integral of derivative of first function into integral of second function. Integral of sine x by 2 plus pi by 4 as it is. Integral of ex is ex and 1 by 2 in the denominator. Derivative of sine is cos. And now derivative of x by 2 is 1 by 2 and pi by 4 is 0. E x by 2 upon 1 by 2. 2 sine x by 2 plus pi by 4 e power x by 2. Now again in the product, so again apply integration by parts. First function cos x by 2 plus pi by 4 integral of e x by 2, that is e x by 2 upon 1 by 2. Derivative of cos is minus sine and derivative of x by 2 is 1 by 2 into integral of e x by 2 is e x by 2 upon 1 by 2. 2 sine x by 2 plus pi by 4 into e x by 2 minus 2 cos x by 2 plus pi by 4 into e x by 2. Minus minus plus and minus. This is the same function as in the statement given. So let it be I. 2 e x by 2 sine x by 2 plus pi by 4 minus cos x by 2 plus pi by 4 and limit is 0 to 2 pi. It is 2i, 2 and 2 will be cancelled and put the limits now. I is equals to e 2 pi upon 2 sine 2 pi upon 2 pi plus pi minus cos pi plus pi by 4 minus lower limit e power 0 sin 0 plus pi by 4 minus cos 0 plus pi by 4. E power pi sin 180 plus theta is minus sin theta minus sin pi by 4, and cos 180 plus theta is also minus cos theta. Minus minus plus cos pi by 4, e power 0 is 1, sin pi by 4 is 1 by root 2, cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. E power pi minus 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2 minus 0. So answer is 0. Next one is integral of ex into cos pi by 4 plus x by 2, limit is 0 to 2 pi. Again the two terms are in product, so use the formula integral by parts. First function as it is into integral of second minus integral of derivative of first into integral of second integral of ex is ex cos pi by 4 plus x by 2 into ex. Now derivative of cos is minus sine. Derivative of pi by 4 is 0 and x by 2 is 1 by 2. Integral of ex cos pi by 4 plus x by 2 ex plus 1 by 2 sin pi by 4 plus x by 2 ex. In this integral again apply integral by parts. Cos pi by 4 plus x by 2 ex plus 1 by 2. First function as it is. Integral of second. Integral of ex is ex minus integral of derivative of first. Derivative of sine is cos. Derivative of pi by 4 constant term 0. X by 2 is 1 by 2. Integral of ex is ex. Cos pi by 4 plus x by 2 ex plus sine pi by 4 plus x by 2 ex minus 1 by 4. Cos pi by 4 plus x by 2 and ex is I. So write it as 1 plus 1 by 4i ex cos pi by 4 plus x by 2 plus sin pi by 4 plus x by 2. Limit goes to 0 to 2 pi. 5 by 4i e 2 pi cos pi by 4. 2 pi upon 2 is pi plus half sin pi by 4. 2 pi upon 2 is pi minus lower limit e power 0 cos pi by 4 plus 0 plus half sin pi by 4 plus 0. Put the values now. 5 by 4i e 2 pi cos 180 plus theta is minus cos theta. So minus cos pi by 4 plus 1 by 2 minus sin pi by 4 minus e power 0 is 1 cos pi by 4 1 by root 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2. E power 2 pi minus 1 by root 2 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Take minus 1 by root 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2 common. E power 2 pi plus 1. Take the LCM. 2 plus 1, 3